Shanghai High Flying Electronics Technology Co. Ltd., a new multi-antenna intelligent I/O system, IoT remote I/O controller. The product is suitable for small volume. Diverse module types can easily meet various system. Uplink network can choose 4G, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and serial port mode. HBus synchronizes multiple module data into 1 millisecond responses. The module adopts multi-antenna blade design, push-in terminal, press wiring, reduce 60% wiring time. Large diameter holes make wiring easier, 12 mm, saving 60% installation space. Push-tab terminal block saves 50% of work hours for installation. Supports variety functional modules, digital input-output module, analog input-output module, relay output module, serial port module, auxiliary power module, module customization, support IoT control protocol, WeChat and app control, high flying ladder diagram and configuration, will support more automation protocols, easy module maintenance. Quickly maintenance module, support hot swap. Shanghai High Flying Multi and Tenon series products. Travel light, this is your first choice.